received these Num Noms for Caitlin to review on my blog, Serenity You. There's a pack of these which contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 nums, are they called them ones? They're called nums, and then 2 noms, and they go on top of each other and they go into the ice cream. And they're all different flavour. If you can see, that's lemon flavour, wait a minute, mint flavour, chocolate flavour, and cherry, raspberry, sweet, blackcurrant, orange. And you can also get cupcake versions of them. So Caitlin, and we've also got 2 of these. I don't know if that's, see that properly, not focusing very well, which are Num Noms lip glosses. So we're going to open them first, Caitlin. Let's see what they look like. Can you do them?
No. No, redo it.
Let's see if I can do it. Hold the pot there for me. Pull that bit. That's it. Pull it. You grab it. Can we get a corner of it? It's a bit hard, aren't they? Do it here. Oh, yeah, I think I did it then. There you go.
Hey!
Is it that? What is it?
You got a cupcake!
Let's have a look. Are they the cupcake ones?
Yes.
I think they're the ice cream ones that go with this, aren't they? Or are they different? Oh, I can't tell. But there it is, look. You're going to open it out of the bag as well.
Mm.
I'll try and open this.
How did you open this?
I have no idea.
You open it too?
Oh, I can smell it.
What does it smell like?
I don't know. Let me get it out first.
I smell.
Does it say if it says the flavour of it? I don't know if it says the flavour. It smells nice, that does. Oh, let's have a look on here.
Yeah, it does.
It tells you what they are on here.
I got this one. What is this flavour?
Can we see it? Let's have a look. They're the cupcake ones and they're the ice cream ones. Let's have a look what it looks like so I can see. Where can we find that one? Can you find him? There he is.
Where? There.
That's him, isn't it?
Yeah.
Patty Peach.
Patty Peach.
Yeah.
It smells nice.
It does smell nice. Patty Peach.
Now let's open the next one.
Yeah, let's see what the next one is. What's that one? It's a different one, isn't it? Let's have a little bit.
Got another one.
Oh, you smell that, Caitlin?
And smell.
Smell it.
Oh.
What is it? I can't work out what it smells of. It smells peachy again. Is that another peachy one?
Is it that one?
It smells peach, doesn't it? Let's have a look.
Is that one patty chili?
It is that one, isn't it? No, is it?
Look, it's got the shape of the ears like that.
It's got the same shape of ears. It's got an eye shut. It's got both eyes open, unless it just... I don't know. I think it must be that one.
Let's just see if we can find it anymore.
Oh, well, that's peachy cream. It smells that, doesn't it?
Yes.
Right, so we've opened them. Let's see what's inside them, look. Because I think they've got lip glosses in, haven't they?
Oh, nice. You opened that.
Oh. Oh, yeah, look. You see that? You see that? Oh, look, they've got different lip glosses here, look. Caitlin.
That is where the smell's coming from the
I don't know if
lip
you can
balms.
see that on there. It's not focusing very well, is it? The camera doesn't want to focus for some reason.
There. I put them back in.
Yeah, I think this is minty lip gloss.
What's this one?
Oh, it's the same. You got two of the same minty lip glosses. I can't open it with one hand. Do you want to open these ones and have a smell of them?
Yes.
So you can get into the side of the box. Oh, look. It's ripped a bit there. There you go. Good go.
Oh, a little pan cone. Look.
Yeah, the cone, look. So
And
it's an ice
there's
cream
the-
cone. Yeah. And they can go inside it to make them...
So first, well, what we got is
Are they supposed to be like the motorised things? They're supposed to go. If you're supposed to... Let's have a look what you do with them.
where's the lip balm?
Oh, look, look! I don't know if it's going on there.
Where's the lip balm?
I don't know if it's got lip balms in it, that one. I think you have to get them in the other packs.
Oh.
Is it going? Well,
Oh, look! Oh, this flavour's so nice.
just turn it off there.
Let's smell this flavour.
They smell as well.
Yeah, they actually do.
What flavour is that? It says on here. This one is supposed to be caramelly go-go.
Yeah,
Caramelly. Which one have you got in your hand?
that one.
Oh, that's nice.
I know.
What's that one? It takes me about half an hour to find them on here. I think that is that one, isn't it? The berry scoop one.
Yeah. Now let's take out this one.
That one should be a raspberry flavoured one. Yeah, Razzie Go-Go it's called.
A nice pink one. Let me smell because I haven't smelled.
So I can get some light because I think my battery's going to go soon. This one should be... Oh, orange.
Oh, it smells like chocolate.
Oh, let's have a smell. Oh, that really does smell like chocolate. That one really smells like chocolate really bad. What's that one? Cherry.
This
Cherry. That smells... I can't make... Well, mine's... My nose is going all funny now.
one. Lemon.
Lemon, that one. Give it
Green.
a bit of smell then. What's it smell like?
Smells like lemon.
Have a smell. Oh, that one's very lemony, isn't it?
Oh, mint. I can smell this all day.
Yeah, don't be silly. Oh, that's a nice one. Are you supposed to do this with them, Caitlin?
Van mint.
Look, watch.
Van
You're
mint.
supposed to put them on, and that's supposed to go on top of there.
Yes.
I don't know what they're supposed to do, like. But...
And it's supposed to carry them. Or we could put them in. We could get the spoon and put them in there.
Try and put them on top of each other.
Yeah, it's stationed there.
I can't really put that one on. It's supposed to like that. What do you reckon?
Yum. Yum,
Have you opened one of your lip glosses yet?
What?
Have you opened one of the lip glosses? There's one.
I'm trying not to get them mixed up.
Well, they're both the same, I think.
Oh. I'll just try and get this one.
Don't swallow the plastic. can't do this with one hand. I'm going to put the camera down a minute. There you go.
Okay, camera, we'll be here in a sec because you need to try and open these.
Could be here all day. I'm getting there slowly. I need some scissors. Why does everything always need scissors? Nearly done. Eventually. There you go. Here, Caitlin.
That was easy.
I'm trying to open it. No, it gets see inside there. Very nice. Let me try a bit. You don't get much lip gloss in, do you, though?
No.
My fingers are a bit too fat to get in there as well. Here, you try it. I've done that one, look. Don't mess around with that, Caitlin. Try. Can you smell it?
It's
supposed to be minty. What do you reckon? Yeah? Do you like it? You don't get much in there, do you? Let's have a look. Look, so tiny. Do you like it? What do you reckon to these then?
Good.
You like them?
Yeah.
I like that chocolate one best, I think. Of all the flavours. They do smell a bit...
Yeah.
Not proper. I wouldn't say they smell like completely of each flavour. They smell slightly rubbery. Some smell more rubbery than others, if you know what I mean. Don't know. What do you reckon, Caitlin?
Yeah. Can you watch video of these?
Go on then.
I want to do the pink.
Is it going to fall?
I don't know. Let's put...
Probably try and tuck the ears in if you can. If you put one on that motor thing and put it on the side, it's supposed to go, isn't it? Let's have a look then. Oh wow, that looks cool, doesn't it?
Let's put this one.
That's it, you're putting the ears in and it stands, yeah, that's better, isn't it?
Chocolate on top.
Let's have a look.
It's a wobbly ice cream.
A wobbly ice cream. So what marks would you give that out of 5? Yeah, don't do that.
100.
100 out of 5?
Yes.
Okay. Say bye to the camera.
Bye, camera. I hope you liked the video and I hope you subscribe.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.